Inihayag ngayon ni Pangulo Aquino ang pag-angat ng ekonomiya ng Pilipinas sa pinakamataas na antas. Sa isang pananghaliang alay ng Ayala Corporation, sinabi ng Pangulo na ang tagumpay na ito ay magbibigay daan tungo sa ganap na kaunlaran ng bansa. Kaugnay nito, inimbitahan ng Pangulo ang mga dayuhang negosyanteng bumisita sa Pilipinas. Muli, si Raking Nasyo sa detalye.
Inilatag na ni Pangulo Aquino ang matatag na galaw na ekonomiya ng bansa. Sa lansyon ay pinagkaloob ng Ayala Corporation, sinabi ng Pangulo na hindi may kakailangan nagbunga ang mabuting pamamahala ng pagtaas pa ng kumpiyansa sa potensyal ng bansa.
Today it is clear, good governance has created a climate in the Philippines. Our stock market has soared over the past 3 years, while analysts the world over have given different names to our success. I have heard our country called the hotspot, Asia's rising tiger, or the brightest spark in Southeast Asia, just to name a few. These accolades are not unwarranted. For the first time in our history, the Philippines is rated investment grade by 2 major credit rating agencies. These agencies have cited a robust growth as well as the low and stable inflation rate in the country, all while many other economies are experiencing slowdowns. In fact, the Philippine economy has consistently surpassed all expectations so far. Full-year growth for 2012 was at 6.8%, higher than our own growth assumption of 6%. In the first quarter of 2013, our economy expanded by 7.8%.
Ayon sa Pangulo, ang paglakas ng manufacturing sector kasabay ng pagpapalawak ng infrastruktura sa ilalim ng public-private partnership ang nagsilbing makinarya ng paglago ng ekonomiya ng bansa. Patuloyan pa rin anya ang pagpapatupad ng reforma kasama na dito ang mga bagong batas at pagtiyak sa kaayusan kabilang na ang nilagdaang Framework Agreement on the Bangsamoro. Kaya ito anya ang tamang panahon para paglagakan ng pamumuhunan ang Pilipinas.
This is the perfect time to invest in the Philippines. More and more opportunities have been created both as a result and as an affirmation of our commitment to reform. And we are here today to share these opportunities and invite you to work with us. The development of infrastructure is necessary for the growth of all other sectors. Right now, the Philippines is behind its ASEAN counterparts in this regard, including the state of our roads. Instead of seeing this as a setback, we choose to see it as an opportunity to make quality investments in infrastructure. So we have increased our budget for infrastructure from $4.86 billion in 2012 to $5.94 billion in 2013. This increase of more than $1 billion will go towards paving all unpaved sections of our national road network, developing airports and other transport hubs in the country.
Bukod sa larangan ng turismo at agrikultura, malaki rin ang potensyal ng pamumuhunan sa larangan ng enerhiya.
Rolled out a number of projects. Some are under construction, while others are still open for participation. From the construction of classrooms and the rehabilitation, operation, and management of hydroelectric power plants, to the construction of highways, amongst others. Agriculture and tourism are our other 2 priority sectors, not only because they make the most of our country's strengths, but also because they create jobs, complement existing livelihoods, and ignite rural development. Lack of infrastructure and support to farmers, among others, hampered the growth of our agricultural sector in the past. To remedy this, we went back to basics, improving irrigation systems and constructing and rehabilitating farm-to-market roads.
Kasunod ito, hinikahit ang Pangulo ang mga negosyante na bumisita sa Pilipinas. Sa harap na rin ito ng pag-upo ng bansa bilang host ng susunod na World Economic Forum on East Asia.
Again, may I take this opportunity to invite you to come and visit the Philippines, whether for vacation, for business, perhaps to explore the hotel industry, or for the World Economic Forum on East Asia 2014, which will be held in our country. Whatever you may be looking for, business opportunities in the sectors I've mentioned, or in manufacturing, shipbuilding, and information technology and business process management, a secluded and beautiful beach in Palawan, or the most lively street dancing in any of our festivals, whatever it is, I am certain that you will find it in our country and find it more fun at that.
6 na milyong piso ang inilaan ng gobyerno sa biyahe ni Pangulo Aquino. Bagamat tinek ng Pangulo na magiging sulit ang inaasahang benepisyo para sa mga Pilipino. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Raking Nasyo, Lipito, Myanmar.